Caillou the patient. It was a beautiful day, and Caillou, Mummy, and Rosie were going to the park. Caillou was trying to decide which toy to take.
I'm gonna take my airplane. Let's go!
Oh, wait for us!
Look at me, Mommy! My plane can fly really fast! I'm the fastest jet pilot in the whole wide world!
Caillou! You're flying faster than anyone ever has before!
Yahoo!
Slow down, Caillou. You don't have your running shoes on.
Whoa.
Oh, Caillou, are you all right?
Caillou had scraped his knees, and they really hurt.
Caillou fell down. Ow, it hurts, Mommy. Ow, ow. Boo-boo.
Oh, poor Caillou. You'll be okay. Let's get you home so I can fix you up. You are my first patient today. I see you've had quite a tumble. So first I'll have to examine the wound and check for broken bones.
Caillou thought it was funny that Mummy was pretending to be a doctor.
Good. First, we need to clean you up a bit. We'll have you back up in your plane in no time.
Ouch.
Ooh, it'll just take a second.
Caillou tried to be brave, just like a real jet pilot would be.
I know what my patient needs now. Nurse Rosie, could you please get me a cotton swab from that tin?
Nurse Rosie.
This will keep the wound clean so it will heal quickly. Now we need something else. Do you know what that is, Nurse Rosie?
Bandage.
Aha, exactly. Now, how about a tall glass of special Get Better juice?
Ouchie.
That's going to be a little sore for a while. How about I give you a plane ride?
Rosie, too.
Rosie, you can be my co-pilot. You go ahead and show me the way. There you go. I gave you a window seat in your very own airplane.
Caillou's knees still hurt a little, but he really liked his new bandages.
Caillou. Boo-boo airplane.
Well, you must be a very special passenger on this flight. Only special passengers get a cookie.
Thank you.
Caillou thought his knees felt a little better. He wanted to see if they would hurt when he walked.
Try to catch me, Billy. Leo. There's Clementine and Billy. And I saw Leo, too. I think they're going to the park.
Are my patient's knees working all right? Why don't you try a couple of steps around the living room? Oops, I mean the airplane.
Caillou thought his knees felt much better now.
Rosie, make better. I'm Pilot Caillou, and we're taking off on a flight to the park.
Well, your landing gear seems to be in fine working order. Let me check with my co-pilot. Rosie, can we land at the park?
Park!
The park it is! And I've got just the thing that a pilot and co-pilot need for a successful flight to the park.
Look, Mommy, I'm a good pilot.
Yes, that's why you've got your wings badge. And what do all good pilots wear when they want to run?
Running shoes!
Right.
Clementine, Leo! Caillou, what happened to your plane? I had a crash landing. See? Ooh. And when I got all better, Mommy gave me my pilot's wings. Cool. You sure are brave, Caillou. Does it still hurt? It did at first, but not anymore. Rosie co-pilot. I can fly the fastest. Try to catch me. Whoa! Are you all right, Leo? Yep. I'm gonna be the doctor. First, I have to examine the wound. That's your boo-boo. Next, we have to clean the wound. All clean. Now let's see if everything works. You're all better. Thanks, Dr. Caillou. Is everyone ready for takeoff? Yeah! Start your engines.
Hot diggity! I wonder where I should go on vacation. German Polynesia? Home of the hula frows. One first-class ticket to German Polynesia, please.
That'll be $7,000.
7,000? All I got is $75.
That's only enough to send your luggage.
Then, just send my suitcase, bub.
Here's your... tourists.
Ooh, ow, ouch. This is no way to travel. Which way to first class? Now this is how a woodpecker was meant to fly.
Hello, welcome to paradise in the skies.
Whoa!
Are you flying on business today?
Oh no, I'm on vacation. And call me Woody.
Ooh, you are so cute. When we land, would you like a tour of my home island? Yeah?
Oh yeah. And while we're in the air, how's about you give me a tour of that buffet over there? This is the life.
Folly Walrus?
Oh, Inga, my most favorite flight attendant in the whole world. Look what I bought for you.
Woody, my little Woodla, where are you?
Don't be gone long, Inga.
Thanks for the chocolates, bub. But Inga's my first-class date, so hands off. Look what I've got for you, Inga.
Oh, Woody, how nice.
Yeah, they just had you written all over them.
Why that no good, Inga thief?
Whoa!
All Passengers, please buckle your seatbelts. We are proceeding to take off.
Bye, Woodpecker.
Didn't you hear, tourist? Passengers to your seat!
Hey, what's the big idea? I'm from first class. Ask Inga. Inga!
My biggest rule in tourist class is shut your yap unless you're eating chicken or fish. Do I look like I have all day?
Get me the fish.
This is tourist class. Get it yourself, Woodpecker.
Hiya, buddy. Gonna eat that?
Sure. Knock yourself out, bub. I gotta get back to first class. This is the captain speaking. Would flight attendant Inga please come to the flight deck? Inga to the flight deck, please. Ready to log some frequent suspender miles, bub?
That's no good, Woodpecker. I'll...
Freeze! Just where do you think you're going, tourist? Trying to sneak into first class?
No, why would I when, a beautiful attendant like you is right here with me.
Oh my! Well, you don't have to go to first class to be treated like first class. Escargot!
Oh, yucca. I mean, yoy, you bet. But, I will need something to wash them down with.
You just sit right there, my big pumpernickel. Back in a jiff!
Woodpecker! Would attendant Inga please come to the flight deck at once? Yeah, you bet. Now I fix that Woodpecker. Oh, Woody, meet me in the flight attendant's lounge. Yeah.
Flight attendant's lounge?
It's right there, Woodpecker. Now it's just you and me, Inga. No, Inga! Oh, what have I done? Oof! I want to live!
Don't worry, Walrus. Our love was meant to live! My hero! We're together now and never have to fly solo again.
Oh, Woodla, welcome to charming Polynesia.
Now this is a vacation.